The most important techniques used for to finding the minimum cost spanning trees are, here we have a three algorithms are there: Kruskal's algorithm, Prim's algorithm, Solin's algorithm. We discuss one by one, and the first one is Kruskal's algorithm. The Kruskal's algorithm followed by this procedure. Here the step one is sort all the edges in non-decreasing order of their weights. Here non-decreasing means to place all the edges in a increasing order. Step 2. First, to select the lowest cost edge if it is forms a cycle with a spanning tree, then reject it. If cycle is not formed, includes that edge. Repeat step 2 until there are v minus 1 edges in the spanning tree, where v is a number of vertices. This algorithm uses by the greedy algorithm. The greedy algorithm used for to pick the smallest weight edge that does not to form a cycle in the minimum cost spanning tree. The greedy algorithm mainly used for to pick the smallest weight edge that does not to form a cycle in the minimum cost spanning tree. I'm explaining by this procedure with the example. Just just consider this example. Connected undirected graph. Here each edge have some cost. Before applying the above procedure, first we remove any loops or parallel edges in this graph. If there is any loops or if there is any parallel edges are there, then remove it and then apply the above procedure. Here there is no loops and also parallel edges, so we apply the same above procedure. And the step 1 is to place all the edges in non-decreasing order of their weights based on the costs to place the increasing order. Here minimum edge cost is 1. Their vertices are A and B, A to B. And the next minimum cost is 2, D to E. And the next minimum cost is 3, B to C. Next minimum cost is 4, C to D. And the next minimum cost is 5, A to E. Next minimum cost is 7, A to C. Next minimum cost is 10, A to D. Like this, I am placing the weights in increasing order and their vertices. 1, A to B, A to B. Next 2, D to E, D to E. Like this, I am placing all the edge costs in increasing order. After that, step 2, select the minimum cost. Here the minimum cost is 1 and place that edge into the spanning tree. If that edge to form a cycle, then reject it. Otherwise, include that edge. This edge does not form any cycle, so include it. The edge cost is 1 and the next minimum cost is 2, D to E. This edge also does not form any cycle, so include it. Next minimum cost is 3 and B to C. This edge also does not form any cycle, so include it. Next minimum weight is 4, C to D. This edge also does not form any cycle, so include it. So in the above procedure, to see the step 3, repeat step 2 until there are v minus 1 edges in the spanning tree, where v is the number of vertices. Repeat the step 2 until to get v minus 1 edges. Here total number of vertices are 5 and we need only 4 edges. already we get 4 edges, so we stop by this procedure now. And this is the minimum cost spanning tree for the above given graph. Here sum of the spanning tree cost is 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10.